Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So let's reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of the surface indicators of an BMW i3. This one is a hybrid model, half electric and half petrol. There is an indicator popping up over here when we start the car that it needs to be reset. The oil, brake oil change and the mod indicator. Let's start right away. Just have the ignition on, don't start up the car. This is the ignition button. There's a button over here on the left side. Press and hold it. And you'll see this menu over here. Press to reset the thing you want. I want to reset the brake fluid. Press and hold it. Perform reset, release, press again, and you'll see that the reset is in progress. This was for the brake fluid. You can do it for all the indicators over here. The mod indicator. Press, perform reset, and you'll see that the indicator for the mod also has been reset. That was it. That's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Stay safe, take care. See you next time. Bye bye.